Hi, my name is Swapna. I'm an applications engineer at Microchip with the Edge AI BU. This is a whole brand new BU that we have introduced to bring focus into Edge AI market for our customers. And we have a breadth of products from 16-bit DSCs to 32-bit MPUs and 64-bit FPGA, and we are showing that we can run Edge AI in some shape or form in all of these products. So here we have a smart home demo. Our Cortex-A7, SAMA7, is driving this 11-inch display, and you can control the living room light or a bedroom fan. So you can turn on and off different devices. You can also connect different sensors to it, so you can get notification that, oh, a front door is open. This one also has an open source SCRFD face detector and Facenet model for doing face detection and face recognition. So right now we have Brian, who's enrolled as an authorized user. So if he rings the calling bell, you'll get a notification saying authorized guest user. But do you want to be my model and be an unauthorized guest? So since you are not an authorized guest, and if you ring the bell, you'll get unauthorized guest notification.
So how does the AI come into this? What is a model, or what kind of AI can you run?
So you can run anything. So that's what we're showing here. We are doing face recognition and that kind of image recognition kind of a model. But you can run keyword spotting or just contextual awareness, IMU sensors, and so on. So there we have a 16-bit DSC, which is running a predictive maintenance demo. And so you can act as an early warning system.
Do you want to show it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is a predictive maintenance demo in our DSPIC DSC. It's really 16-bit micro DSC, but you have these DIMM modules, and you can swap out different controllers. And so this control board allows you to implement Edge AI for predictive maintenance, and you can prototype different kind of models. And so here we are using data visualizer to visually collect data and filter out data, and machine learning development suite, which is our on the cloud tool to develop models, and then you can deploy it and then iteratively fine-tune your model. We have two solutions for predictive maintenance. This one is an evaluation board. The second solution, this one uses quadrature current and RPM to detect an unbalance. But we have a second solution, which is a retrofit kind of a solution where you use accelerometers and MEMS microphone and temperature sensor to detect an anomaly and act as an early warning system as well.
It's important when deploying edge and IoT device to manage maintenance in a smart way.
Yes.
Not spend too much money on it, or do it at the right time.
Exactly.
So there's no downtime and everything.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's the whole point of predictive maintenance, to catch problems early and also detect. So this is the second one. We actually have the reference design. It's a board level reference design. We have it deployed in different places. It has custom power management system for low power, and we have connectivity. You can use wired connection 10-base T1 to have a network of different microcontrollers, or you can use our Wi-Fi BLE to have the model sent to the cloud, but the inference is running on the edge. We have our partner Avnet IoT, that's our cloud partner, and we have our FPGA demo where we're running face recognition, pose estimation.
All right.
With our FPGA, and we're doing pose estimation, and it has multiple CSI. So you can get image sensors.
Yeah. Can you repeat the last sentence? Sorry, it just disconnected.
So you have multiple CSI interface, so you can get camera feed from multiple sources. And we are also showing that if you want, you can interface with an NVIDIA TPU to get the additional boost for processing.
Here I see like a little robot. and smart vision and stuff like that. Are these AI solutions already deployed, or you're just starting to show them?
No, these
and
are
people
already
are just
deployed.
experimenting?
No, these are already deployed. We have solutions and reference designs on our website which you can download and try.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
Long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.